Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Folding emergency survival shovel. Extended length 22-1/2. Compact length 9-1/2. Serrated on one side. Comes with a black nylon case with belt loop. Great for camping, gardening, outdoors, and more. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Multifunctional tools. Our foldable survival shovel emergency kit includes hex wrench, serrated knife, wire cutter, hoe, harpoon, saw, rescue knife, bottle opener, safety hammer, Phillips head bit, flat head bit, magnesium rod fire starter, adjustable shovel head, all-in-one tool. A tactical shovel can meet most of your survival needs outdoors. Durable survival shovel. This survival toolkit is made of military-grade solid stainless steel and thick aircraft-grade aluminum tubes, making it tough enough. Tough terrain, hard ground, tough branches. You can handle it all when using this sharp and sturdy camping shovel. With its compact size, it can also be placed in the car as an emergency tool. Superb gift. Besides being practical, it's exquisite and cool. This folding shovel is just the thing for an awesome gift for your boyfriend, dad, energetic junior boys. Whether it's for Christmas, Father's Day, or any other day when you need to show your love, buying it as a gift is a great choice. Folding portable shovel. Super durable as a small entrenching tool. It measures 26.6 inches when fully assembled and weighs only 2 pounds. As a portable emergency shovel, pack it into the small shovel case and carry it on backpack or belt for camping gear. Order with confidence. You can use it as a snow shovel, sand shovel, gardening shovel, or a durable, sturdy, strong tactical shovel. Ideal for camping, backpacking, hiking, off-roading, fishing, scouts, archaeologist or emergency. We fix any problem quickly and offer the best solution to our valued customers in a polite way. Simply contact us via Amazon message when necessary. Enjoy hassle-free shopping experience with us. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 18.25-inch full length, 24.5 ounces. Lightweight foldable outdoor, hunting, military shovel is versatile to get the job done. E-tool features a wood saw edge to cut or chop small branches and trees for kindling or fire. Building, compact and portable. The multi-use shovel folds down to be barely bigger than your hand. 10 inches in length when folded. It takes up about the same space as a stack of paper plates. A kneaded tool that is easy to pack and takes up no space in your backpack or camp kit. High carbon steel construction. Super durable to handle the long list of jobs the shovel was designed to handle in extreme conditions. Dig through dirt, sand, gravel, mud, and snow with the tempered steel blade. The triangular handle is strong and fits the hand well for optimal use when digging, trenching, cutting, or slashing. 3WAY folding design. Hand shovel collapses into a portable outdoor shovel, emergency shovel, and hiking shovel. The rotating spade blade can be adjusted to act as a pick or hoe. Ultimate camp tool to dig fire pits, bury waste, or trench drainage lines. SOG tactical shovel for life. Take care of your folding shovel and we'll take care of you. SOG shovels for digging are built to last, and we consider all repair and replacement requests. See more product details. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. American owned, family operated. Join the Rhino family and support a USA-based father-son business. Ultimate multi-tool, fire starter, whistle, bottle opener, saw, hoe, fish scaler plus more all in one. Compact and portable, full 31 inches long extended with adjustable handle length, collapsible to 7. Multifunctional, shovels equals great garden tools, backpacking gear and metal detector accessories. Guaranteed 5 STAR experience. If you aren't 100% satisfied for any reason, we'll refund your money.